Hey, this is Eddie with Blessed Angler. Hope y'all are having a great day. I went on a fishing trip with my friend David and his son Mason out to South Bay and Mexiquita Flats. Ended up catching a few reds and a couple of trout. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Take care and God bless. Oh, you got one. You got one. What is it, trout? Or look like a nice sized trout. Oh yeah. Oh, that is a nice little trout. Yeah, it is. If I don't get all tangled up here. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one.
Don't get off though.
Oh, man. Oh, David.
Good trout too, man.
Man, that was about a 20.
I'll tell you, at least 20.
20, yep.
Right.
Man.
Where there's one, there's more. All right, let me get it.
Oh, you got him. That was mine. That was mine.
I think that was a red.
That one?
Yeah, I think that's a red.
Oh, yeah. You got. Ooh, that's a nice size red. You got him, David. Ooh, that's a nice red. Nice. Little slot red. Ooh, about 24, 25.
Where you going? Where are you going? Come back over here. My drag's not slipping like it should.
Nope. Ooh, man, that's a big one. Man. Oh, that's a nice red. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Good job, man. Good job, David. Woo, first fish of the day. Oh, man, we're already losing. Yeah. Nice fish, David. Good job, man.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
Hey,
man.
grab my phone out of there and take a picture.
Yeah.
I gotta send this bullet.
You got one?
Yep.
Red. That's a redfish. What is it? Yeah, redfish. You got a nice one.
And now the drag's coming out.
Let me grab. Oh. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Ooh, he's close. He's close to 20. He might be like 19, right? 8. We'll find out. Oh yeah. He's what? 21, 22? Oh, yeah. He's almost 22.
Yeah, there you go.
22.
Awesome.
Yeah, good job, David.
Doing nice, Jess.
That's
Woo.
2.
Yeah.
There you go. Come on, guys.
Oh man.
The fish magnet's working today.
Oh, got one. Oh.
There you go.
Oh man, he's small, I think. He felt big at first, but hey, does he count if he ain't a slot?
Behind you, okay?
Alright. Oh man. Let's see, he might.
Oh.
He
Might as
lit.
well let him go.
Oh man.
You didn't want me to net him?
That's alright.
Huh?
Yeah, get him in the net. Thank you, Jesus. Oh man.
Okay. Hey, at least you caught one.
Yeah. Alright. So I ain't in last, right?
You ain't got to clean the fish
Yeah,
yet.
alright, not yet. Oh yeah, he's little. Ah, that's good. Need some action. Thank you, Jesus. Let it. Oh, there he goes.
Dolphins out there.
Got one? You got one. Mason's got one. Nice size, Mason, or no? Oh no, let's see. He's little, right? Oh, I don't know. Is he a slot? Might be.
Close.
Yeah, he's close. Good job, Mason.
Got it.
I hope he's the limit. Oh no, he's 20. Let's see if we can get him straightened out. Flip him the other side. Oh man, he's tossing. Yeah, he's short.
You know, I forget where I read it too, Eddie. But they said, I remember reading somewhere that a guy says that when you're throwing topwaters, instead of throwing straight away, you know, into the waves and bringing them back,
at an angle,
try to quarter the waves with your lure.
You know what? I've always noticed that, not just on my topwaters, but every lure I throw, I have more. I tell certain people, you know, like I'm fishing with them, so I've noticed that I have more success if I cast at an angle than if I cast straight ahead. Right. And I think it has to do with, my belief is that it has to do with the presentation. Most of these fish are facing up current and we're drifting down current. So if the fish is facing straight at the current and you bring that lure right behind them, it tends to spook them because it's not a natural presentation.
Right.
And that's just my theory. And if you bring it at least at an angle, at a quarter or across, it comes at a side. You know, oh, you got one. You got one. I saw that.
Yeah, he's on.
What was it, a trout or red? Oh, he got away. Man.
Dang it.
I couldn't tell what it was though.
I couldn't either. All right, I gotta say it. Cheeto, Turns good. Come on, fish. It's time for lunch. That little blow up behind it.
There's some trout right here. Oh, got some nice trout. That's a trout, I think, or a red. Hey, there's a few trout right back here, like a little school of them. Yeah. That's a redfish right here. Oh, he ain't huge. Throwing a soft plastic. Yeah. Oh, my line busted.
Oh my gosh.
And oh man. And it wasn't even my line, it was my knot that came undone.
Really?
Oh no, the line busted. And I saw it this morning. I was like, oh, it looks like it's already kind of worn. Oh man, that was a nice little red. That one hurt. David, you got a big old smile on your face, David. I don't know why, but oh man.
Because I'm fishing.
Oh, okay. Not because
not because you lost.
Not because of my misery.
No, not at all. I was hoping you'd catch.
Give you some competition, right?
Yeah. We need some more fish in the ice chest.
Oh man, I thought I had him. You got one?
I wasn't even watching. All right.
That's a nice one. Oh, you got him? You got him still? I thought he had gotten away. What's a red? That's a nice size red. That's a slot red.
Ah,
man.
Dang it.
All right, my turn.
Go get him. It's the same one. If he's got a hook in there, that's half for me. They're out here. I'm still looking back at my red somewhere over there. You got him? Trout? Probably a trout. Yeah, a little trout. That little sand trout?
That is a little sand trout.
All right.
You can keep him if you want.
There ain't no limit on those, right?
Nope. It was either a crevalle jack or a pompano.
Oh, was it?
Either a crevalle jack or...
You got one?
Damn, man, you got the right color on, I guess. Bigger? You're after that?
Oh, that's a nice trout. That's a real nice trout. Ooh, man. Oh, good job, Mason. Nice. Probably a 17, 18 inch trout. Man, I'm in last place. Oh, you got a paddle tail on there, right? I don't like this spot anymore. Let's move.
We're in another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Yep. Yeah.
Where you got him, man?
Oh, it's a nice one.
You didn't feel him hit or what? No, I didn't. It's like all of a sudden there was just something on there.
I got the net.
Got it?
Yeah, I'll get it. See if I can bump them loose. Nah.
Red.
Yeah, it hasn't broken water, right? Like. Oh,
come on.
man!
I'm not using this pole no more.
It's your line or what?
Yeah,
what?
well, it's a 6-pound test.
Oh, but your drag, is it a little too tight or what?
Checked it. It
Checked
seemed
it?
okay.
Got one. Little trout.
I got one too, Mason.
I saw that. You got a red. What do I have? I think I got a little red too. Little redfish. Oh.
Oh, no, that's not a keeper.
Thank you, Jesus. Nice little fish.
Still fun.
Yeah.
Still fun.
Let him get back in the water. It's fun when you're in the lead.
My dad used to make that bet with us when we were little. When he'd take us fishing all the time. He'd always tell us, all right, guys, $1 for the first, $1 for the most, and $1 for the biggest.
Yeah.
We're like, oh, of course nobody ever say that.
Got one.
Got it?
Yeah. He ain't big. He's not big at all. I hope it's a trout, but I think it's a red. Little red. What is it? Little trout? Oh, he was a keeper trout.
Yeah.
Ah, thank you, Jesus. Finally on the board. Oh, oh, whoa, don't get out. I've been practicing too much catch and release today, so. Oh yeah, he's about 16, 17.
Yeah.
Nice little speckled trout. You got one? Oh, it's a nice one. Get him, Mason. Oh, you got a skate. Yeah. Hey, is that considered the biggest?
Is it going in the ice chest?
No. Hey, I've heard those things taste.
Yeah, I heard people use the wings like scallops.
Exactly. Yep.
I've never tried to keep
some
one.
some restaurants use them as scallops, and you can't even tell the difference.
One thing I've always heard, if the way you can tell the difference, if they've got a yellowish color to them.
Oh yeah.
They're stingrays.
Oh, okay.
Scallops are white.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, you gonna bring him in? You want me to net him? Yeah, I want to take a picture. Better watch that barb. They can fight pretty good.
Oh yeah.
That one come down, man.
Yeah, you might have to come to. Now he's going towards you. Oh, there's two more if you want to catch them. Oh.
3 of them. Follow one down.
Yeah.
Find out.
Man, I thought you had a nice sized red at first. Hey, there are little pompanos or crevalles. I just saw one. Yeah. I don't know what they are, so.
Keep going to your left, walk to the back of the boat, keep your rod dip up high so we can watch your right in between both drip socks, mate. Get him. Tag him.
Man, that thing's huge.
Right.
All right.
That's heavy, huge. Heavy, man.
You take him out.
How heavy he is, Mace. Pick him up with the net. I was gonna say pick him up with the net, but stop flapping. All right.
Hey, is this a photo shoot or what?
Yeah.
It's different when you're catching them, right? Hold on. Oh, there.
Cool.
All right. Well, that was a good fight, right?
Yeah. We were out on a day similar to this, and we're throwing live shrimp. And after a while, I get to looking around. It's nice and sunny like this, and you can see the potholes. And I'm going, why aren't I throwing a topwater? So I tie on a big old bone top dog. First cast, man.
You got one? Oh, it's a nice trout. Real nice trout.
Yeah, I'll get it. I don't think he's that big. Right here.
No, he's a keeper. Oh, yeah. You got it. Good job, Mason. What is he, about 16, 17, 16? It's a nice one.
Keith.
Yeah.
Okie dokie, back to catching fish.
Got one?
No, I do have one. Little one.
First.
Little.
Nah, I think he's a trout though. Nice trout. That's a slot trout. Oh yeah, it's a nice trout. Let me get that net. Oh,
There you go. Man, I
You
didn't
got
even
your
feel
trout.
it bite. I thought I had grass on there.
Good job, David.
Got it. Can't fix it. Yeah.
You got your trout? Got one?
Oh, there he is.
That's a nice one. Gotta be a red.
Yeah. My third red.
Uh-oh.
I ain't losing him. I felt him. I felt the thump, and I set the hook. And I was like, oh yeah.
You hit him, David.
I don't know. Maybe it is a trout.
No, it's a red.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Let me. Uh-oh.
Get back over here.
Here, let me get out your way. Careful. You got him in the front?
Yeah.
All right. Do you? Yeah, he's close.
He's close.
Good job. Thank you, Jesus. Oh man. Got one? Oh, that's a nice one. Red?
Yeah, little one though.
Little one. Yeah, he's little. Thank you, Jesus. Nice little fish. You got him? Okay. About what, 17, 18? Nah, he's little. I say he's about 18, 17.
I'll check him, but I
Yeah.
really don't think he's going to keep.
Yeah, he still got to move a little forward. So yeah, he ain't the
17.